Hey there, this is normally the part of our Wilson lesson where I teach how to divide syllables using sound cards. So today I've made the vowels red so that you can locate them and then figure out where you would divide the word. So if we look at the first word, lemon, let's look at where those vowels are. There's an E here and an O right here. And if you look between the vowels, how many consonants do you see there? Oh, there's only one consonant. So in that case, you keep it with the first syllable by closing it in. So it'd be lem, in, lemon. Okay, this vowel is short. This one is saying I instead of ah. You don't say lem on, so it's marked with a schwa. And just as a review, syllables that are quieter in a word will sometimes have a vowel that is unexpected. So this is a word that we learned a few weeks ago with the first syllable being louder, lem, in, lemon, right? So if you put your hand under your chin and say the word lemon, you'll notice that this is a quieter syllable, so that O doesn't say on, it says in. You're going to notice something similar with a new word today. So if we look at this word and locate those vowels, we notice there's a CK in between the vowels. What that tells us is that CK says k, such as in sock, so we have to keep it together. Rock, et. Now if we put the syllables together, you're going to hear where the quieter syllable is, and you're going to hear where that vowel is making a schwa sound, the unexpected sound. Rocket. When we put it together, rock made sense because that O said ah, it's a closed syllable. And E in rocket said I. So it didn't say rocket, it said rocket. Still a closed syllable, but this E is saying I, so it's unexpected. I'm going to drag a word over for you to try at home. Okay, you're going to find the vowels first, and you're going to tell me where you would divide the word. Obviously, I can't hear you, but try it at home. And look at what's between the two vowels. It's very similar to the word we just did. And take a moment to verbalize where you would divide it. That's right, the C and the K stay together because it makes one sound. So you should have divided it here between Jack and et. The CK is a digraph, so it stays together. If you were to say these syllables separately, Jack, et, they both have equal stress on the syllable. When you go to put them together, I want you to say the full word. Jacket. Which syllable was quieter? That's right, the second syllable was quieter, meaning that the E did not say eh, it said I instead. Jacket. Okay, so the A makes expected short sound. It's a closed syllable. That A is closed in by one or more consonants, making it short. And this syllable is also closed, but it's unexpected in its sound, making a schwa sound because it's a quieter syllable. You're going to notice that our words for this week all end in ET. Okay? So that's what we're going to be practicing this week, are those words where the schwa syllable is in the second syllable. Okay, let's try one more. I'm going to take lemon away. This one's a little bit different with the syllable division rule, so I want you to think about how you would divide this word. Find both vowels and look at what's happening between them. There are two consonants. So what's the rule when you have two consonants that are not a digraph? That's right. You divide between the consonants. So if you were to tap these syllables out, if you need to, it would be ag, mag, et, net, mag, net. Let's combine them. And now you have magnet. Schwa syllable happens in the second syllable. It's the quieter syllable. E says I. A is making its expected short sound. A apple ah. Okay, so that was our last practice word for today. You'll have some questions in the classroom to answer. Good luck.